Welcome! If you're using the Telegram app on your PC and want to unmute participants in a channel video chat after the new update, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the simple steps you need to follow to make sure everyone can be heard during your live stream. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open the channel where you want to start the live video chat. Next, look for the call icon located near the top of the channel window. It's usually the middle icon among the options there. Click on that call icon. You will see an option to start live stream. Click on it to begin setting up your live video chat. Now, you'll be prompted to choose the account you want to use for the live stream. Select your account and then click Continue. Once your live stream is starting, find the three dots icon, representing more options or settings, and click on it. In the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you control the behavior of participants in your live stream. Look for the option labeled Mute New Participants. This setting, when enabled, automatically mutes anyone who joins the video chat. To allow your participants to speak freely, disable the Mute New Participants option by toggling it off. After you've made this change, remember to click Done to save your new settings. And that's it. Now when new participants join your channel video chat on Telegram, they will be able to speak without being muted automatically. This gives you more control and makes your live conversations much more interactive and engaging. So, just to recap, open Telegram, go to your channel, click the call icon, start the live stream, choose your account, go to Settings via the three dots, disable Mute New Participants, and save the settings. Easy and straightforward. Enjoy your unmuted video chat on Telegram and have great live streams.